Nakita nyo na tong mall guys, last summer nag-farmers market kasi in front ang farmers market dito, that's only during summer. So ngayon balik tayo to avail the 75% sa Bath and Body Works. So since I like shopping with less crowd, 10 minutes before open time, nandito na ako sa mall para ako ang nasa unang linya. So let's see. I'm sorry. Hi guys, how are you? I have here a small haul from Bath and Body Works. They have their 75% sale going on starting last December 26, and I believe the sale is still ongoing. And if you'd like, this is just once a year or twice a year sale on this brand, and you can really save. It's a stock up price, especially if you'd like to save some for birthdays of friends, loved ones, or relatives. So I didn't buy a lot because of course the goal for this year is save money. I only have 4 of lotion and 2 of the hand wash, which we need in the household. I don't really buy on this because, as I've said, I coupon and I not into paying $6.50. The original is $6.50. I mean, and from $6.50, that's only $3 for this time. $3. See, so first time using this winter citrus wreath and vanilla sage. So let's see. Even if I like it, and even if I like it, but if it's full price $6.50, no, thank you. Anyway, next is on this lotion. It's 8 ounce, yes, and the original price is $12.50. So I got 2 of this champagne toast and 1 of this fresh coconut colada with shea butter and vitamin E. This is really good for dry skin. I haven't tried, so let's see. Hindi ito para sa akin lahat. I'm gonna save this for birthdays or whatever. And wildflower still super smooth body lotion, shea butter and coconut oil, so still perfect for dry skin or to moisturize. So yon, ang daming mga ano doon guys, ang daming mga mura. If you have, especially if you have a coupon, which I don't. Some people, they have $10 of 30, so that is good, but I don't have that. So I just for 6 items, my total came up to 18 something, and that is a good price for Bath and Body Works products. So wala lang guys, I'm just showing, and as usual, salamat sa panonood, and hope you guys have a wonderful day, and you take care wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Thank you. Bye.